morning, guys. February 2nd, 2026. And then we got a call from a guy. He's got a problem with his toilet won't flush. And kind of a weird setup. He's got it down in the basement, and it's toilet's kind of raised up, and the guy built like a square platform around the toilet. So changing the toilet's going to be an issue. So I'll try to fix what's there. I think it's an old American standard. It's a brown toilet. Like I said, the base is kind of built up square because the flange is raised up off the floor type of thing. So changing the toilet's an issue. See what I could do with it. Sounds to me like it might be the flapper. But called me yesterday. Called me over the weekend, wanted me to go out there. I said, I'll go out there Monday. It's not like he's got more than one toilet over there. It's just down in the basement. We'll see what's happening over there and see if we can fix it for the guy. Might be the fill valve not putting any water in the toilet. We'll figure it out. Yeah, she's filling up right there. That's weird, huh? Yeah.
Oh well.
See what happens.
That's what it's all about.
Better to happen at your house than my house.
Huh?
Better to happen at your house than my house.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
Yeah, we'll just change it, that's all. No big deal. There'll be a little bit of water in there, but I can drain it into this container. Should be able to dump it in that container. Another one here we can put in there. built up with this wooden thing, whatever the hell it is. Brown shitter. It's an Elja. An Elja. Flush it with a lot of water. Makes you want to move to Florida, all this snow, huh? Have you been down there? Too many bugs? They got giant roaches down there. They call them palmetto bugs. They don't call them roaches. They call them palmetto. Yeah. Giant flipping roaches from hell, right? Yeah. Yeah. You don't want to call them a roach.
Yeah, we've been there a few times.
Call them a palmetto bug. Alright, I put a new fill valve in there and that should do it. Alright, it's got this weird base on there. The guy built it up because it was higher than the floor or something. Remember we talked about that?
Yeah.
The old brown toilet?
Yeah.
It's like the old brown turd.
Yeah, I like. He's a junior in high school. The 22 guy is 22, I guess.
Alright, that's as good as it's gonna get. Yeah.
He's